Crown of Midnight by Sarah J. Maas. Now this is the second book in the Throne of Glass series. Wildly popular. I'm also wearing a Throne of Glass bookish box shirt merch situation that I got in there. 4.5 stars. The end of this book, jaw wide freaking open. It's a very different book at the end than it was when you started it, which, I mean, I'm not surprised. I knew, being an 8-book series, that things are going to be happening. Still don't know exactly where things are going to go from here, but it's good. But some parts, I will say, had me glazing over pages. There is a lot of information, usually are in the beginning of fantasy series. Has to be. Like, they're building the world, they're setting the scene for you, which I don't love. I love simple. I don't want my brain to think too much, so some of it I probably will be a little bit confused as I keep going on.